In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to crouch in Sea of Thieves, PlayStation 5 and PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Crouching is a recently introduced mechanic in Sea of Thieves. It allows you to take cover and actually changes your hitbox, so it can help you dodge incoming projectiles. You will be able to use it on PC or a PlayStation 5. Of course, the exact same thing can be done on an Xbox, and I'm going to talk about all of these platforms. So all that you have to do to crouch on either PC or PlayStation 5 is to use the right analog stick. So if you are using a controller, you just have to use R3, which is clicking down on the right analog stick. So all that you have to do is click down on the right analog stick on your controller and you will be able to crouch. So this is going to be the default bind for you to crouch. If you are on PC using a keyboard, you just have to press Control on your keyboard. So either use Control if you are using a keyboard on PC, or alternatively press down on the right analog stick if you are on a PlayStation or Xbox console. Immediately upon doing this and pressing either of these buttons, you will be able to crouch in Sea of Thieves. This will modify your hitbox like I said, and you will be able to take cover like this. So all that you have to do is press down on the right analog stick. This can actually be changed in the settings. So if you go over to the controller mapping or the settings on Sea of Thieves, you will be able to change it. A lot of people actually had R3 bound to something else. So if you have R3 bound to another button, then you will have to change it when you go over to the settings. By default, crouch will be assigned to R3, so if you have other conflicting binds, it simply refuses to work. So it's very important that you only have one action bound to R3. And as long as you have a button to crouch, you just press that button, by default R3, and you will be able to do it. I hope I was able to help you on how to crouch in Sea of Thieves, PlayStation 5 and PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.